Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today we are going to do the unboxing of the smart fan, the Atomberg Rencia fan 1200 millimeter blade. And this particular fan is a smart fan, guys. You can control this particular fan with the help of a remote, or you all can download an app and you all can control this. So this is my unboxing of this particular fan, and also I'll be showing you the installation. So please make sure that you all are subscribed to this particular channel and watch this entire video till the end, because I have certain tips and tricks. Okay, so I got this particular fan for around 3000 guys on Amazon. So based on offers, the price will vary. I'll be also keeping the link in the description below, so make sure that you can purchase it from the link. And by the way, this is not an affiliate marketing also, so I won't be getting any commission. So this is the direct Amazon link which I'll be providing. So the Atomberg Rencia fan which I'm having is a ceiling fan, and it comes with this kind of blades, guys, and comes with warranty around 3 years, I guess. And it is very efficient and sort of silent compared to a traditional fan. Now what makes this particular fan some special is this comes with BLDC motor, guys. And this is a DC motor, and this, as I said, it comes with 1200 millimeter of blades, and the blades are pretty long. And also if you see the packaging and boxing and everything, it is quite good, guys. And these are the features over here. It comes with a standard 3 years warranty, 2 years, and plus 1 warranty. So let me just open this particular box, and we'll be also showing you how to configure this particular fan, just in case if you have the existing one. So the specialty about this fan is, guys, it saves a bill up to 1500 rupees annually. So per year, if you just want to decrease your electricity bill, like how people put solar panel etc., and if you still want to decrease your bill, this is the best way, guys. You all can just upgrade this fan to around the smart fan by Atomberg. And it is very light, guys. It is very light compared to the traditional fans what we had. And the one which I have it is in ivory color, because my house color and everything is sort of creamish. So I decided to get this particular color and not the black one. Actually the black one, in my opinion, looks much more better than this. If possible, please go with the black one, guys. It is much more classic looking one, and this is how it looks. And once you rotate this particular thing, there are LED lights, 6 LED lights over here, and as I'm rotating, you all can see those lights are pretty much glowing. So let me just show it again to you. And if you just rotate it, it just shows you the light. So also there are 6 particular modes, guys, for this particular fan. There is from speed 1 to speed 6, and also there is this boost mode. And it comes with this one nice cute looking handy remote, which you should not lose, because I think exchange of this particular remote would be expensive. And this comes with this increase, decrease, and boost mode, and LED, and power on off. So basically, if you're on the couch and if you want to turn the fan on and all, you all don't have to move. You all just can do it with the help of a remote, just like how you turn off the TV. So this is one of the great advantage of this fan, guys. Also you all can connect to the remote app, and on your phones, smartphones, and all can also consider control their fan. And this comes with this particular cells. Let me just put batteries inside this. And this comes with those tiny little batteries, and which you can directly put. And let me know in the comments, guys, do you all use any smart fans apart from this, or you all are still stuck up with the traditional fan? And the sound and the noise is quite less. And this also comes with a sleep mode, guys. So for example, if you put it in 6, that is the top speed, and if you all press the sleep mode over here, then the fan speed will decrease by 1 after every 2 hours. So it will, after every 2 hours it will go to 5, again after 2 hours it will go to 4, again after 2 hours it will go to 3, and so on. So maybe you all can set this up at night and put it on sleep mode. So by the time you wake up, the fan speed is low. So this especially is useful in certain days like rainy days and all, when in the morning it is very chilled and I just want my fan to be automatically moving to the speed 1. So this is the connector which you get I don't know what you call this exact term for this, but this is the one which you connect your pipe and the ceiling of it. So existing also you get this particular rod guys, and it is quite of sturdy quality I would say, and pretty good in terms of build quality and finish guys. It is awesome, and the quality I really like it. The build quality of this particular fan is awesome guys, and let me just remove the sticker, and this is how it looks, and it is quite compact for a fan of this particular size. And let me just show you some overview of it, and this is how it looks from top. And what we need to do is remove this particular screws and connect a particular plates, the three blades of 120 millimeter. Also guys, please note that once you are connecting this particular fan, you all have to connect the live to the respective live connection over here, and you'll be having this particular white kind of a box where you need to make the connection. Make sure that all the live is connected to the red ones, and the neutral is connected to the green one, since it is you know, a DC motor. Also this comes with a 5-star rating guys, so you know, expect a lot of power saving from this particular fan. And there are LED lights over here which can act as a night lamp maybe, you know, in darkly lit environment. And we have the user manuals etc, and this comes with a standard 2 years warranty by the company Atomberg. And let me see what else is in the box. So you have this particular user guide which will help you to, you know, install the fans properly. Please read this particular instruction before you know, connecting this, because this kind of fans are the new, so definitely people won't be knowing about it, so highly recommended in reading this. Let me see if there is something else also or not. So we have another leaflet over here, and this comes with the extended warranty guys. So this is a registration card, so you need to register this particular fan to get that, I guess, the extended warranty of it. And this is how it looks guys. So it comes with a 3-year standard warranty right from the box, you don't have to purchase anything extra. So with this particular thing, let us just see the blades etc, and what are the other accessories which you get with the fan. And this is how the blade looks. So the surrounding of mine were, you know, creamish, so I opted for this ivory color guys. So y'all can opt for something like black and something like white combination, or y'all can even get with that bamboo color that is looking awesome guys in my particular opinion. So since the color is cream of the house and all, so I opted for this. And mind you, this can get dirty very easily because it's a lighter color guys. So this have to be made in, so the blade have to be connected to that center portion of it, the main central unit, and the screws etc are provided. And the blade is quite light and of very good material guys, that's what I can see. And let me in the comments below if you all are thinking of buying this particular fan. So over here we get this particular caps. So okay, so these are the caps basically which goes on the top and the bottom of that particular rod which is connecting your fan to the ceiling. So this is how it looks. I really like the sort of slightly a retro feeling. It is not all this boxy, it is bit of an organic kind of material, these caps or cups, what you'll call that, and comes with the Atomberg you know, branding. So again guys, over here I have just connected with all the screws, and there is a sort of a, you know, round ring which you get, which you need to connect it. And just make sure that that ring is coming in between the screws and the particular plate. This is the ring I'm talking about, which you get out of the box. So also make sure that you don't have to tighten this very hard, just leave it somewhat like 95%, and then we'll be making connection, and this will be connecting to the ceiling of you know, and then along with the pipe. So what I've done is I've taken the existing pipe, and I've been installing this particular fan like this. And as you all can see guys, I've still not made a connection, so I'll be making the connection right now. I'm using this existing pipe which was there before, so you all don't have to install the pipe again, you all already have it. And this is how it looks guys after connecting this particular fan. And it comes with this particular remote, and my god, the remote is very tiny and really cute. Also make sure that you all have to place the remote directly facing the fan, otherwise it might not work in this case. So you'll have to exactly face it to the fan just to get it started. So it comes with this particular thing, plus minus and all. And what you can do over here is you'll even have the LED light button. With this you can turn on and turn off the LED if you don't like it. Especially I like to keep this on during night, and this is the speed functions which you have it. You can decrease it, and you can just leave it the way it is. So, and also one thing what I like about this particular fan is this particular boost mode, which will allow you this particular one. So here with the help of the speed minus button or plus button, guys, you all can change the speed. So again, I was talking about the boost. With this boost mode, you all can speed up the fan from 0 to 6 speed. So basically what this boost mode does is it is like shortcut to the sixth gear, I would say. And if you certainly, like, if you come from like office and all and it's all hot, at that time you can use this particular boost mode. Also there is this sleep mode which will decrease the fan speed after every 2 hours. So for example, if you all are using this, you all can have it set to sleep mode and it will keep on decreasing the fan speed. Again, guys, if you like this kind of videos, guys, please hit that like button, and thanks for watching this particular video, guys, and see you in my next video.